What's up, YouTube? So today, and welcome back to those. I know I was out of the mix for a few days, but today we're going to cover a groundbreaking child support case that changed the game. And listen to me. It's called Blessing versus Freestone. Hey guys, I'm Corey, and welcome to my channel, Let's Talk with Corey. If this is your first time tuning in, hit that subscribe button. But before we get started, wherever you are in the world today, I mean wherever you are in the world today, I really do hope you're having a great day. Guys, as you know it, my channel, Let's Talk with Corey, is about people, places, and things. And this time, we're talking about the historic case of Blessing versus Freestone. Child support redefined. We're diving into a landmark case in the world of family law that changed the landscape of child support forever. Blessing versus Freestone. This case challenges the very foundations of what child support was intended to achieve. So grab a seat and let's explore this fascinating legal journey together. Now, to understand the significance of Blessing versus Freestone, we first need to establish the historical context of child support laws in the United States. Now, traditionally, child support was viewed primarily as a financial obligation imposed on non-custodial parents to ensure their children's well-being. However, this case revealed a different narrative. In the 80s, the federal government began enforcing stricter child support laws to improve collection rates and reduce welfare dependence. But what many didn't realize was that these laws often overlooked the direct benefits to children and custodial parents. Now, in 1992, Blessing versus Freestone emerged from Arizona, challenging the state's child support enforcement system. Now, the case was brought forth by mothers who were struggling to receive the financial support they were owed. But what set this case apart was the plaintiff's argument that the child support system wasn't truly designed to benefit the children involved. Go figure. Hit that subscribe button. Instead, often prioritize state interests over the well-being of families. That's right. Let me say it again. It often prioritized state interests over the well-being of families. The plaintiffs believe that the system was failing to serve its intended purpose. Now, the arguments in the case were compelling. The plaintiffs pointed out that while child support enforcement aimed to reduce state welfare costs, the actual needs of children and custodial parents were on the sideline. They argued that the system was more about collecting money than ensuring adequate support for children's needs. Now, this perspective led to a broader discussion about the purpose of child support. Was it truly about the welfare of children, or was it a means for the state to financially benefit for non-custodial parents? Now, that was a question. Now, after much deliberation, the court ruled in favor of the plaintiffs, stating that the state's child support system was indeed flawed. The decision was groundbreaking, as it highlighted that child support should primarily serve the children's best interests and not merely act as a revenue stream for the state. Wow. Now, this ruling forced states to reevaluate their child support policies and to consider the actual needs of children and custodial parents. Now, what were the implications of this ruling? First, it prompted states to improve their child support enforcement procedures. States began to focus on ensuring that custodial parents receive the financial support serve the children's interests. Second, it raised awareness amongst policymakers about the importance of child welfare in family law. And lastly, it encouraged a broader conversation about gender equity and the responsibilities of both parents in supporting their children. Now, we're going to get to the conclusion. Blessing versus Freestone was not just a court case, it was a pivotal moment in family law that reminded us of the primary goal of child support: to benefit the children. It's a reminder that while laws are essential, they must evolve to meet the needs of families and the children effectively. I hope that everyone got something out of this, and I'll put a link to the actual court case in the description box. All right, I hope that this has provided you with valuable insights into the complexities of child support and family law. Guys, as always, thanks for the pull up. Hit that subscribe button. And until the next time, let's talk with Corey. Let's talk with Corey. Y'all.